In the dynamic realm of foldable smartphones, the competitive scene has dramatically shifted. Previously, a South Korean tech behemoth held a commanding majority, but its market influence has now dwindled to less than a quarter. In contrast, Huawei has risen, capturing 35% of the market. A pivotal element in Huawei's rapid increase in foldable smartphone shipments is its launch of advanced 5G models, reshaping industry trends and consumer choices. As we dive deeper into the nuances of these market changes, one must ponder, what prospects lie ahead for foldable technology, and how will it redefine mobile communication? Stick around as we uncover the evolving narrative of foldable smartphones. Huawei Technologies surpassed Samsung Electronics to claim the leading position in foldable smartphone sales globally during the initial quarter. This marks the inaugural occasion for the Chinese tech company. Despite facing sanctions from the US, Huawei, headquartered in Shenzhen, witnessed a remarkable 257% increase in foldable smartphone shipments during the first 3 months of the year, as per findings from research firm Counterpoint. Huawei's ascendancy in the foldable smartphone market is underscored by its aggressive expansion and innovation. By launching cutting-edge models equipped with advanced technology, Huawei has effectively captured consumer interest worldwide. This strategic focus on high-tech features and enhanced user experiences is a direct response to increasing market demand for sophisticated and versatile devices. The company's success is also a reflection of its commitment to overcoming challenges, such as the stiff competition and market dynamics influenced by international policies. During the corresponding period in the prior year, Samsung dominated 58% of the global foldable smartphone market, while Huawei held a mere 14% share. However, last quarter, the South Korean tech giant's portion dwindled to 23%, trailing behind Huawei's 35% share. An instrumental factor contributing to Huawei's surge in foldable smartphone shipments is its introduction of new 5G models. In the competitive foldable smartphone market, the previous year saw Samsung holding a dominant position with a significant majority. However, Huawei's strategic product releases and technological enhancements have reshaped the market dynamics dramatically over the past year. This shift reflects broader trends in consumer preferences, with an increasing appetite for innovative and flexible smartphone designs that offer both functionality and portability. In the March quarter, 84% of Huawei's foldable shipments were equipped with 5G capabilities, a significant increase from the previous year, when the company exclusively offered 4G LTE devices. Despite the US sanctions impacting Huawei's access to key technologies, the company has innovated by developing its own components, such as the Kirin chipset, to power its devices. This independence in technology has not only bolstered Huawei's resilience, but also its reputation as a leader in innovation. Additionally, the global foldable smartphone market is experiencing robust growth, with forecasts suggesting a continued increase in adoption rates, driven by technological advancements and decreasing cost of production. This trend underscores the significant potential for foldable devices to become more mainstream in the coming years. As Huawei continues to innovate despite global challenges, the company's efforts not only reflect its resilience but also highlight a broader trend in the tech industry: the shift towards self-sufficiency. With Huawei setting a precedent, might we see other companies follow suit in creating their proprietary technologies? Now let's dive into how Huawei's leading models like the Mate X5 and Pocket 2 are shaping market preferences and setting new standards in the foldable smartphone arena. Huawei's foldable models, the booklet-type Mate X5 and clamshell-type Pocket 2, are reportedly well received in China, as stated by industry observers. Last year, Huawei re-entered the upscale 5G smartphone market with the unexpected introduction of its Mate 60 Pro series in August. This move led to significant speculation regarding the origin of the device's advanced system on a chip, or SoC, amidst challenging US technology export restrictions. The release of the handset spurred a surge of patriotic sentiment, resulting in heightened domestic sales for the company. The Mate X5 and Pocket 2 models have been integral to Huawei's success, featuring innovative design elements that cater to a diverse customer base. The Mate X5's expansive screen and seamless folding mechanism have set new benchmarks in the foldable market, while the Pocket 2 appeals to those seeking compactness without compromising on functionality. These models exemplify Huawei's ability to merge aesthetic appeal with technological advancement, securing its position in the high-demand sectors of the market. In the initial quarter, Huawei regained its leading position in China's smartphone market, According to a report by research firm IDC released in April, Counterpoint noted that Huawei's smartphone shipments in the country surged by almost 70% year-on-year during that quarter. Huawei not only reclaimed its top position in China's smartphone market in the first quarter, but also demonstrated impressive growth in its foldable smartphone segment. This resurgence is attributed to the company's strategic focus on innovation and local consumer preferences, which resonate well with the tech-savvy Chinese market. The rise in Huawei's market share highlights its ability to adapt and respond to the dynamic tech environment, underlining its resilience and strategic planning. However, Counterpoint's ranking placed Huawei in fourth position, trailing behind Vivo, Huawei's budget subsidiary brand Honor, and Apple. Despite encountering obstacles in procuring supplies of its self-designed 5G SoC, Huawei is expected to persist in prioritizing foldable smartphones due to their higher selling prices. In China, the popularity of foldable smartphones is on the rise, with shipments surging from 3.2 million in 2022 to 7.01 million in 2023, as reported by IDC in February. Globally, first-quarter shipments of foldable smartphones this year increased by 49% compared to the previous year. This growth was primarily propelled by Huawei, along with Honor and Motorola, which experienced shipment increases of 460% and 1,473%, respectively. The global surge in foldable smartphone shipments highlights a growing trend across international markets. Driven by significant contributions from Huawei, Honor, and Motorola, the dramatic increases, particularly from Motorola, underscore the competitive edge that innovative design and technology bring to the foldable device sector. This global interest suggests a shift towards more versatile and technologically advanced mobile solutions, catering to consumer demands for functionality and unique experiences in their handheld devices. As we've explored the shifting tides in the foldable smartphone market, it's clear that Huawei's strategic innovations and the introduction of 5G models have significantly propelled their market dominance, challenging established players and reshaping consumer expectations. This evolving market landscape highlights the rapid pace of technological advancement and its profound impact on global consumer trends. As the technology matures and more players enter the field, the future of foldable smartphones promises even greater innovation and competition. Looking ahead, it will be fascinating to see how these devices continue to evolve and which new capabilities they will unlock for users worldwide. What features would you like to see in the next generation of foldable smartphones to make them a must-have device for you? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Explore endless tech possibilities for an exciting future.